Hey, beautiful souls. I pray that you all are having a blessed day so far. In today's video, we have some Jamaican brown stew chicken feet. Yes, chicken feet. Let me know down in the comments if you eat chicken feet. And then I have some brown rice and peas, some sliced avocado and tomato to go along with it. And this was so good. I was craving chicken foot, and so was Lexi. And they were a pretty decent price. I've seen them cheaper than about $4 per pack. But nonetheless, we got 3 packs, and I'm running some cold water and vinegar on them to clean them. And then you have to clip off the toenails of these bad boys, okay? Do not leave them toenails on, all right? Clip off the toenails off of each and every one. But yes, please, down in the comments, let me know if you've had chicken feet. Would you try it? Would you try it? Are you one of those people that's like, ew, chicken feet, I'll eat every other part, but not the feet? Let me know down in the comments. And if you do like chicken feet, how have you had it prepared? What flavor combination did you have with it? I love it. It's not super meaty, but it's delicious. So in a pot, you want to get some oil and brown sugar in a pot. And let that brown sugar start to bubble up on medium heat. And then over here, I'm just making my rice and peas. You guys, I know you've seen me make this in a previous video recently. I'm adding in some tomato paste. I've already cleaned the rice, added some water, added some tomato paste. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some coconut milk. I've been loving the brown rice and peas, I think more than the white rice and peas. Really been loving it. Then I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning salt, this complete seasoning here. And now back to our chicken feet while our rice is cooking. You're going to go ahead and once the brown sugar starts to bubble up, you add your chicken feet in, and that's what's going to give it that nice golden color. It's going to create a nice gravy as well. Now back to the rice, I'm adding in some scallions, some thyme, and a scotch bonnet whole. Let that continue to do its thing. Continue to mix your chicken feet. Make sure each and every one is coated with that brown sugar mixture. Then you're going to go ahead and add some chopped tomatoes, some diced or minced garlic, red onion, some thyme. I have cilantro and scotch bonnet pepper. We're going to add that right on in. And then you're going to add enough water to cover your chicken feet because you're going to let this cook low and slow after it comes to a boil. This came out so good. The flavors were amazing. And here my seasoning, I have salt, black pepper, paprika, ground ginger, seasoning salt, and allspice, ground allspice. We're going to add that in, developing amazing flavor here. You have your earthy tones. Then you have the sweetness from the brown sugar. Creates a very nice tasting, well-rounded gravy. And then we're going in with some coconut milk, which is going to give it that nice, complete, rounded taste. Yes, 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 yes. And you can do this with any meat. You can do this with any meat. It's interchangeable. You can do it with fish as well. And then here I'm adding in my red kidney beans to my rice. I like to add my red kidney beans once I start to see that the rice is absorbing the water. Cover with foil, turn on low, and let that steam and do its thing. Cover your pot with your chicken feet, and periodically you just want to check in and give it a good stir. I cook this for about 3 hours. About 3 hours I cook this for. I like it nice and tender. I want to put the chicken foot in my mouth, pull the meat off. Oh my gosh, so good. So good. The gravy on this is why they use chicken feet to make stock, because it creates such a nice gravy. And then I'm adding in some butter beans. So when the cook was almost done with my chicken feet, I went ahead and added in the butter beans. And I just probably let it cook for like another 15, 20 minutes with the butter beans in there. And then now it's time to plate up because everything is done. Adding my brown rice and peas to a plate. I'm going to add my chicken feet, my avocado, my tomato. This was such a delicious meal, you guys. I was craving it. Like I said, Lexi has been tearing this up. She's been enjoying all the meals, though. So that's a blessing when people enjoy the meals. So let me know down in the comments if you would try this recipe. What did you think of the recipe? And I thank each and every one of you for tuning in. Don't forget, you can now become a family member of Lex TV, which you'll get special content that's for members only, early access, also gift cards, full tutorials, cooking tutorials, mukbangs, just a whole bunch of amazing foodie things, going out with us to the supermarket, Walmart, and all that good stuff. Anyways, I love you guys. God bless and peace.
The sunset's vibrant glow. Together we dance beneath the sky. Reggae sunset, we feel so high. So let us groove to the reggae flow, embracing the sunset's vibrant glow. Together we dance beneath the sky. Reggae sunset, we feel so high. As the sun melts into the